I'm at the place for the training today. Today the training will be firefighting. Yeah, because it's needed at my company. So we have come to the airport emergency department for the firefighting training. Yep. Then we can get a view of the airport from here. Over there. Yep. It's Changi Airport. Yep. So, okay. After this, then after the training, I have to rush all the way to the hospital to meet wifey for the baby appointment, the scan and stuff. So hopefully it won't end too late. Yep. So alright, let's go.
Okay, now all of you got 80%, huh? Okay, more than 80%, huh? Okay, now what to do now? What to do? Look at the pressure gauge. Does it drop? No drop.
Magandang umaga. Napesmal naman ako agad kasi mag-umpisa ako manood ng vlog. Kain pala ako ng breakfast and manonood ako ng vlog nila nila Jong. Ang unang nag good morning. Ang nag good morning si Edmond. Napaka-unusual. Ang cute. So yeah. Magandang umaga. Nasa work na si Dwayne. Kanina pa. Not work. Training. Training. Yeah, correct. Training. And mag-11 na. But kanina pa ako gising. Pinilit ko lang talaga matulog kasi ayokong parang kahapon na parang wala akong energy. Ang pangit sa pakiramdam. Hindi na naman kasi ako nakatulog kagabi. And then around 5 nagising ako kasi si Dwayne narinig ko siyang nagpe-prepare ng na pumasok. So hindi na rin ako nakatulog. So I went back to sleep around 8 na. So it's already 10:41, magbe-breakfast pa lang ako. And yeah, I'm going to catch up with a lot of vlogs kasi these past few days medyo busy kami. Hindi ako nakakapanood ng vlogs. So, yeah, paus-paus pa ako. And 10:41, after my breakfast, papahinga lang ako papahinga, kagising lang, magpapahinga agad. Magta-tidy up lang ako ng konti. And then, maliligo na ako kasi around 3 o'clock, sasunduin ako ng sister-in-law ko to go to KK. A woman's hospital siya here in Singapore, government women's hospital. May ultrasound ako today, and hopefully I'm really hoping and praying na makahabol si Dwayne para na makita niya si baby kasi last na check up namin walang ultrasound, so walang scan, so hindi niya nakita si baby. Then I think this scan na gagawin today is one of the important scan ata daw. So yeah, I'm hoping, really hoping. Then the weather now is bad weather. No, not so. Yeah, nagdi-drizzle pa rin siya and masyado pa rin makulimlim even though mag-alas 11 na. So yeah, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo itong i-flip ko lang yung camera. And as you know, may collection kami ng magnets ni Dwayne, yung sa mga travel namin and yung mga pasalubong ng mga friends namin. So this one is from my mother-in-law and father-in-law. Sinundo namin sila kahapon. They went to Vietnam and yan, Halong Bay, and yeah, same pala. So yan, bigay nila. Laki compare sa mga sa mga magnet na inuuwi namin, And this will be my breakfast. Yung hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, pero yung galing sa Bread Talk and my usual Milo. And yeah, manonood ako ng mga vlogs. So, kain tayo! Hello, I'm still here. na-stuck na ako dito nanonood ng mga vlogs. I just finished watching Mel's latest vlog. Yung nag-meet sila ni Anne. And nakakakilig. May shoutout kami ni Jo. Sayang. Hopefully, next time mag-meet din kami. Makilala din namin sila. Yung mga vloggers dyan sa Philippines. Sila Anne, sila Muffy, yung group nila. So, yeah. So far, ang nakikilala ko pa lang na vloggers na hindi naka-base dito sa Singapore is si Yims in person. So, yeah. Hopefully, sana. Pero hindi pa ako makakauwi ng Pilipinas. Kailangan ko pang manganak and maybe pag medyo ilang months na si baby, tsaka lang kami pwede bumalik ng Philippines to visit. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. Yan. 11:30 na. Ang tawag doon, tumawag yung sister-in-law ko. Maaga daw pala niya akong, mas maaga pala niya akong susunduin later instead of 3 o'clock, 2:30 ata. So, kailangan ko nang gumalaw. I just want to show you this one. After so long, 6 months pregnant na ako. Ngayon ko lang napag-decidean na bumili ng kaisa-isa kong maternity pants. Kasi maliit lang yung pants ko and kasya pa naman yung mga leggings ko, tapos pwede naman ako mag-dress. So, drinadrag ko pa yung pagbili kahit na ninanag na ako ni Dwayne. Sabi niya, bili ka na, ganyan. Tapos, hindi ko kasi bet yung mga ibang maternity clothes kasi yung material nila parang yung teak. Hindi kasi ako mahilig magsuot ng mga ganun. Tapos, yung iba naman medyo magaspang. Tapos, nung pumunta kami ng spring kagahapon, nung isang araw pumunta kami ng spring sa may Suntec. Kaso, wala silang available na size. So, nung pumunta kami kahapon sa Vivo, may spring doon, by spring, tinignan ko kung meron akong size, medium. Kasi alam ko na yung model niya, diba? So, tinignan ko lang yung niya. Gusto kasi, lagi ko kasi gusto itong bamboo cotton. Kahit sa underwear and everything. Gusto ko yung bamboo cotton kasi ang soft niya. So, yeah. Bumili ako nitong maternity leggings lang siya. Nothing special. Black leggings. Pero meron siyang extra dito for the tummy. So, yeah. $39.90. So, $40 siya. Okay na rin. Kasi masusot ko naman ng matagalan. Tapos I think kahit na nanganak na ako, pwede pa rin siyang gamitin. And then, ano pa ba nabili namin kahapon? Ito. Tagal ko nang binili. Ang tagal ko nang naghahanap nito. Pumunta na ako ng Daiso, pumunta na ako doon sa mga maliliit na store dito. Hindi ako makakita. Kahapon lang, nung pumunta kami ng Hougang, may Japan Home kasi doon sa Hougang Mall. Yung pang kuskus, pag gagawa ng yung melon. Ayan. Or something. So, yeah. Ano to? $2.90. And lastly is ito. Yung sa Uniqlo. Ito pala pasalubong to from my father-in-law and my mother-in-law. Yung sa Vietnam trip nila. Nakakita ko ng ganito, naalala ko si Mel. Lagi siyang may dala. So, ito yung nabili namin sa... I'm so happy. Tig-isa kami ni Dwayne. Same design siya. So, sa Uniqlo, meron silang line. Yung sa Philippines. So, it's like that. Ganyan. jeepney, pink jeepney. Ang cute nga yung favorite color namin yun, pink. Tapos jeepney siya, Philippines. Tapos may sabi, Philippines, Southeast Asia. Nice, huh? So this is S and this doing is XL. Hindi kami sure kung kung kakasya kay doing yung XL. Pero pag super tight fitting talaga siya, pang ang bahay na lang daw niya. So yeah. So nice. I like. Gusto ko nang isuot mamaya eh. Pero lalaban ko pa. And yeah. Yun sa baba pala meron siyang ganyan. Team Manila sabi niya. Liwanag yun. And lastly is a random t-shirt. Kasi yan nga, diba, puro crop top na yung mga damit ko. So, kailangan ko ng t-shirt. Bumili lang kami ng mga mura na t-shirt. So, ito lang, pink color, my favorite color as usual. So, ganyan lang siya. Parang ang laki. Large. Super laki. But it's okay. So, yeah. Yun lang. Hindi ko alam kung maliligo na ako or mag-prepare muna ako ng lunch ko. Pero parang kakakain ko pa lang kasi eh. So, let's see. Ayan, katatapos ko lang maligo. 12:30 na. So, saan yung slipper ko? Nagsalang din ako ng labahan and magpapainit lang ako ng yung iluluto, isosote ko lang yung tirang corned beef kahapon, 'di ba? Nag-corned beef kami kahapon for lunch. Hindi ko na kasi malaking canyon, so may kalahati pa. Isosote ko yung kalahati tapos mimix ko na rin yung rice. Para yun na lang yung lunch ko. Tapos para walang leftover. Ano ba yan? Para naubusan ako ng hininga. Nanonood pala ako ng vlog dun sa kusina, dun yung iPad. Ayan, yung aking lunch. Pinag-mix ko na siya lahat. So, this is the corned beef. Lalagyan ko sana ng egg, kaso hindi na. Tinabad na ako. So, rice and corned beef. Sauteed corned beef. So, yeah. Kain tayo. Nanonood pala ako ng vlogs. Me, April, and Justy TV. So, yeah. Kain.
Alright. So, now, it's after lunch. So, I'm waiting for the guys to head onto the bus. Then we can make a move to the training ground to fight some fire. But it is still drizzling outside. Yep. So the trainer will let me drive to the grounds. Then I will dekit from there, pass them all the equipment back, and I will rush off, hopefully in time to catch wifey and see little baby in the scan at the hospital. Yep, so hopefully can make it in time. Okay, so I see the people start moving a bit already. So okay, hopefully I can make it later. Right, so I'm in my suit and specs with my tag. Oh, training started. So let's take a look. I'm doing a rush. Hopefully I can get to catch wifey doing the scan, which I doubt so. Yeah, it's a bit late already. So hope for the best. Then okay, let's
Ayan, nakaabot si baby. Kaso si baby, yung original baby. Kaso si baby ayaw magpakita.
I made it.
He made it. But baby doesn't want to show the face. Siya, nakatalikod. So, hindi namin nakita yung mukha niya.
Level 7, right?
Yeah. But everything is okay. May placenta. We're not ready, right, baby?
Yeah. So
How heavy is the baby again?
1.1, something like that.
They say it's in a normal range. So, yeah. Napapunta na kami dun sa isa pa na appointment. I don't know. That is for what? The next appointment.
On top. Just a doctor see through the thing to review.
Oh, review. Okay. Dito kami ngayon sa Dali, France. So, I'm going to have my Sultana croissant and Hadi is having his mini tart.
Mixed fruit tart.
Yeah. Hey, why are you drinking soft drinks again?
I need a nice cold sweet one.
It feels so cold here.
Because you're sitting there. You sit my side here, not so cold.
Okay, la, we change up. Then I'm having my warm chocolate. So, hi! Orchard Road, Ayan. And all this is condos?
Yes.
Yeah. Then, yeah, like that. Now we're on the way to Great World because I think my husband still have the adrenaline rush from just now. Now he wanted to watch a movie, so we're going to have a quick date. These are all the condos. I think all of this is so expensive, baby, because of the area.
Yep. Okay, so
My
we
favorite
are at
ceiling.
Great World, wifey's favorite cloud ceiling. Yeah. So we're gonna catch a movie, Mission Impossible. I'm a little tired, not like wifey said, still excited, but won't have much time because I'll be working the next few days, work. So it'll be quite long.
We're going to find it.
She thinks taking leave is like free.
Yeah, got pay what?
I only got limited leave what? Ano bayar. Anyway, we catch the movie, then send the car back, then oh yeah, dinner. Okay, we'll figure out that out later. Alright.
Ayan si Baba, bibili siya ng popcorn and drinks. Then dyan yung cinema. Ang lamig-lamig dito na nagmo-moist na yung sa likod ko. Yung salamin. Diba? And dito na kami sa loob. Walang masyadong tao. Kukunti yung tao. And I'm going to have my popcorn. Si Dwayne, meatballs. Pero i-deliver na lang nila mamaya. Hiningal ako. Ang taas nung Kita nyo ba? Pinag-staircase ako ni Dwayne bongga. So, hinihingal tuloy ako. So, hi. So, let's watch movie.
Alright, we are now back home at the coffee shop here. We're gonna have our dinner, which is a bit late, around 10 o'clock already now. The movie finished like 9:30 or so. Yeah. So we'll catch dinner, then head back home to rest already. Wifey also tired. Little boy kick aja tummy pain. Little boy has been kicking till wifey's ribs a bit sore again.
Favorite.
So alright, let's get some food to eat. Alright, so we are home at last after a long day. Yeah, how come my face like so white like that?
Come like that. Maybe the light.
Or is it because the thing couldn't be what?
The light, I think.
Okay. So wifey is checking out her new seriously. Her new spray she bought from Body Shop.
Aloe and Softline. What is the flavor of this one? Original. Infused with orange essential oil and community trade honey. What?
Anyway, she likes the smell, so yep.
I like the moringa. We're going to buy that one.
So okay, good night.